Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you are trying to password protect your screensaver on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area on your desktop and select personalize. Select lock screen on the left side. And now on the right side, scroll down underneath where it says Screensaver Settings and go ahead and left click on that. There's an option here where it says on Resume Display Logon Screen. So if you want to either enable or disable that, you can just make that selection here. And once you're done with that, you go ahead, select Apply and OK to save the change. And that's it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.